Right guys, affirmations. Why are affirmations so important? Have you ever found yourself speaking to an individual about something that you love, something that you're passionate about, something that you really believe in? And as you start speaking to that person about this thing that you're passionate about, your voice starts to get a bit louder, you start to become a little bit more energetic, and ultimately you start to reinforce the feelings and the beliefs you had about the thing you're talking about, right? So this ultimately tells you that speaking out loud is very important. Now, you can be an individual that likes to write their affirmations out on a piece of paper and do that daily. But for me, what has found to be really powerful, especially in the game of trading, seeing as trading can be very emotional at whatever stage you are at, it is about affirmations and doing this consistently day in, day out. So you're able to essentially speak these words out, speak out sentences that help set your mind right. Remember guys, your brain is 95% subconscious, 5% conscious, and it is up to the conscious mind to train the subconscious. So if you are consciously speaking and saying out affirmations, you'll be able to train your subconscious mind to get used to losses, to become the best trader in the world, okay? So today guys, I've done a little follow along. I've set out 5 affirmations for us to speak, so you guys can speak these as I do it. You can copy these. I've written these down in the description below, so feel free to take them and edit them how you like. But these 5 affirmations, if you're able to do this daily, if not twice a day, it is absolutely key. And especially when you're going through those emotional times of losses, then bring yourself to these affirmations and say these, okay? So for me personally, I like to put my hand on my heart and say these out loud, so you can follow me as we do this. So this is how I do it. I go through this list and I say them 3 times, okay? I am the best trader in the world. As the best trader in the world, I can handle losses. As the best trader in the world, I evaluate my performance and improve. As the best trader in the world, I commit fully to my plan. And as I commit to my plan, I play percentages for the long run. I am the best trader in the world. As the best trader in the world, I can handle losses. As the best trader in the world, I evaluate my performance and improve. As the best trader in the world, I commit fully to my plan. And as I commit to my plan, I play percentages for the long run. I am the best trader in the world. As the best trader in the world, I can handle losses. As the best trader in the world, I evaluate my performance and improve. As the best trader in the world, I commit fully to my plan. And as I commit to my plan, I play percentages for the long run. So there you have it guys. Those are the affirmations that I like to do. And you can follow along and do this in this video as I have done it. But remember guys, you can tweak this how you want. But for me, these affirmations are very strong. Remember guys, when I'm saying I'm the best trader in the world is the person that focuses on these processes, these kind of morning routines, these kind of affirmations, being able to meditate, being able to ultimately control your emotions in times of losses. So feel free to guys to go out there and use these affirmations for yourself. Do it consistently, and it's especially important when you're going through those losses. Bring yourself to do these when you're feeling down, okay? Very important. I promise you it will help you. And for me, I found it to help more so than actually writing it out on paper, because when you're writing it out on paper, for me, it's just you're speaking it in your mind. But when you're actually verbally speaking it out loud, you are able to really reinforce it, and it helps to calm your emotions, okay? So guys, feel free to try it out. I hope you enjoy this video. If you have any comments or any affirmations that you like to use and you're happy to share it, then feel free to write it down in the comment section below. But for now, have a great trading week. Take care and peace.